Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome. How are you today, guys? Everything's okay? Let's wait 2 minutes before start. Alright. Hello Lolo, how are you, man? All good? Oh, nice. How good. Oh, very nice. Okay, guys, today I will try to be briefly for us make some entries, okay? So we'll start right now. Just introduce myself for the beginners to know me, to know my group, alright? I'm James Martin. I've been working on this trade market for a long time, and all my knowledge and my experience that again so far I want to share with you. Because of that, I created this group. Alright, this is an opportunity for you to gain extra money with my signals, with my lessons. Okay, so on my group, just go to the pinned message right here and watch my video where I teach you how to create your first account by click on this link. Okay, how to make your first deposit using the promo code that Pocket Option released for us that you're gonna win 50%. Okay, only for your first deposit. Don't forget that. All right. And the minimal value for this is $50. It's very important to say. Okay, just for the first deposit, and the minimal value for this is $50. So you're gonna win half this, $25 in a total 75. All right. And for the beginners to practice and gain more experience, be more confidence, you're gonna win $50,000 on your demo account right here. Okay, go to the broker. You can open this, click on it right here, or trading and quick trading demo accounts. All right. You can copy the signals. You can try to make your own strategy analysis. Okay, everything that you want. So this is very nice. Try to use this before to use your real account and make a deposit and use your real money. Hey David, how are you, man? Happy to join your live again today. Oh, very nice, man. I hope that you liked it. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so you can click on it to create your account. You're gonna win $50,000. This is the promo code 50 start. Okay, so go click on it, choose the method for you, and use the 50 starts to win the 50% of bonus. Alright, if you have any question and doubt it, just click on it and you can talk to me. Send me a message. Alright, and right now I'm performing live on YouTube that I send this link here. You can watch me using the YouTube, the app, or by navigator, and you can send me a message. Right? We have the chat on YouTube. It's very nice for us to have a tete-a-tete, okay? So right now, guys, all my signals that I send every day, morning, afternoon, evening, nights, you need to know how to copy this, right? So the first thing, the most important of, is the time zone, okay? So you need to change this to UTC-3. That is the same time zone that I'm using right now, that I send all the signals. You can see that here, UTC-3. To change this and configure it, click on the gear icon, go to the settings, time zone, and select the automatic detection, UTC-3. Cool, right? Select that. Your time zone will select right here, and the clock will change. Okay. The next thing, this one, you need to know how to identify the pair, how to find that this on the broker, and to click on this exactly time. To find that, just go on this icon here, currencies, and you can search by clicking it. USD C8F. Okay, we have with OTC and without OTC, as I said. Without OTC is open market. All the signals that I send will gonna work on the other brokers, but I recommend to use on the pocket. Okay, and with OTC from our name, it's closed market. That means for us, all the signals just gonna work on the pocket option, and this pair right here will be open on the weekend. Okay, this one close 6 p.m. to midnight and all weekend. Okay, the only pair that stay open for us to make all the operations on the weekend after 6 p.m. to midnight is that one. Okay, all right. After that, you need to know all the operations will have 5 minutes of duration. So this is very important. So click on it and select M5 on the time. Okay, look at that. So 5 minutes. Or you can use the flag plus M5. Alright. The flag just for you that you want to try to make an operation with a little delay. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever. Every click that you do right now will finish at 6:15. Okay. If you the clock right now is 6:10. Okay. If you wait till 6:13, and you click on the higher button, this operation will finish at 6:15. Okay, so is that means this plus M5. But I don't recommend you to do that because you only will have 5 seconds to take an action before this change the exactly time. For this change to 6:20, the clock needs to hit the mark 6:14, 55 seconds. Okay? So you only have 5 seconds to take the action. So use the 5 minutes time. Alright? You can see all the payout here, the profits that I showed you yesterday, how to use that to understand the martingale, why you need to use the martingale to recover your entries, to get back your money. Alright? Because if you try to make this first entry using the martingale, for example, you lost this one. Okay? Alright? So to the first game, you need to double up your amount. Look at the payouts, the profits of this. You're gonna win your $5 again and make a profit of $4.20. Okay? If you lost your first game, you need to try the second one. And look at that, you're gonna win $18.40 of profit. You're gonna take back your $10 and $8.4 of profit. Okay, because that is very important to use the martingale. That is the next action you need to know how to use. Okay. So right here. So this is our first entry, all right, and that is your first martingale and the second martingale. You gonna use the martingale when you lost an entry. If you lost your first entry, you will double up your amount and try on the first martingale. If you lost your first martingale, you'll need to try again on the second martingale. And remember, to make this entry right here on the exactly time, you need to click on this mark right here. Okay, 5:54, 59 seconds. Every signal you need to click 1 second before the exactly time. Alright. So pay attention the minute and the seconds. So click on the button, wait for the 59 seconds and click on it. Okay. And you can follow this up. Click on the history traders. You can see all information about that. Alright. So let's go to the broker. On the broker, you need to do and change the time. Alright. The time zone right here. Search by the currency, the exactly pair. Click on it. Choose the chart types. Select the candles. The candles is the first strategy that you use. Alright. The time frame is very important for us. The time frame is all the time for the chart. Okay, if you change the M5 to M1, you're gonna see all candles with 1 minute. If you change this to M5, all candles will have 5 minutes of duration. So this is very good for us to have good analysis on the chart. For me, on the M5 is a good downtrend. All trends here, these candles, is try to hit my support line, okay? And every time that hits my support line of my Bollinger Bands, the candle automatically try to create a pullback to go up, okay? So before to make an entry, select M1 and see what's happening. What's happening? The same thing on the M5 chart, okay? So you can use the same strategy for both. Now the clock is 6:17. That means for us, that is the third candle, right? And inside this candle of 5 minutes, we have 5 candles with 1 minute inside, okay? So for this one, the first 3 candles can be a red candle, but the 4th candle and the 5th candle can be a green candle. And if you try to make an entry using the lower button, it's dangerous to you lost this one. And it's necessary to use the martingale after, okay? So every time that you try to make an entry, use that, okay? The 4th candle, okay? So far the candle is not half straight enough to keep going up. So for now is respecting the downtrend, as you can see here, okay? Just this only for this pair. You have to do the same for the other one, right? You can see that, oh, this is an uptrend. Maybe if I click on the higher button, I'm gonna win this. But this is for M1 charts, okay? Try to see that on M5. M5 you have a small uptrend here. A tentative to create a lateral trend is not so good for us. We have all candles in my resistance zone, okay? Between the red and yellow, right here is resistance zone, because this is the resistance line, and this is our support zone, okay? For now, this candle is trying to hit the resistance line to M5 charts. To M1 is happening the same, okay? Oh, try to make an entry. This is for sure we create a revert. As you can see, every time the candle hit the line, create a revert. If not, I try to get back this on. Look at that. I make this entry with 2 seconds of delay, right? I take a long time to click on it, to have the analysis on it. Okay. So keep going on that, guys. So time frame. Very commonly used to use the M5, but I already told for you this is good strategy that I really recommend to you to use that. Okay, change the chart M5 to M1 every time. To follow up the signal, to wait for the results, to try to make an entry, to have a good analysis on the charts. It's very good, right? And enable the timer. All right. Timer is here on the front of the candle. You can see that here. Okay. Or not, just click on the trade history that I said. Click on the pair. You can see the open time, the closing time. This is the time of your operation. It's only for duration. Okay. The button, you click it, the payout and the profit that you're gonna win on it. This is the total value and the profit. This is the point to compare with your mark. Okay. So this show for you how many points you have on below or above the mark. Okay. It's very good. Oh my god, my bottle of water is empty. I need to fill it. I wait for this. And right now my indicators, I use all these ones. MACD. You can copy that. Okay. 12 and 6, 9. Bollinger Bands 22 with this style. Fractal 3 on period with this color. Zigzag. Alright. Moving average. I like to use two lines. One of them 20x decimal. Another one 9x decimal. Just change the color. And I change the thickness. Okay. If you want to copy this after, just go to my channel on YouTube. You can copy this. Alright. Look at that. Let's see what's happening on the M1. Oh man. You have almost 50 seconds, but it's not enough time to candle reach the resistance line, create a pullback and go down. So it's probably unnecessary to use the martingale. Pay attention on the seconds. Okay. Come on, man. Go down. Make me happy. Okay. Why not? So let's wait for this. Guys, just a second. Be right back, okay? Faster. I'm back. Oh my god. Okay. Maybe unnecessary to use second gale. Not so good. We have another entry. SD that I sent on the group. Oh my god, man. I need to be prepared for the other pair. It is the Gale. That one is very good. Guys, I've kept with my smartphone, okay? Because that I can follow the signals on the on my group and use the computer for you to explain things for you. Alright? 9 seconds. Okay. That one was a direct win. That one is so fucking bad. Almost 200 points above the line. It's not good for us. But it's okay. Look at that. Every time that I click 1 second before the time. Oh man, come on, come on. Guys, if you click on the link on YouTube, you can send a message on chat, okay? Come on, babe. Come on, babe. Oh, mama. Look at that. It's amazing when you change for the charts between and M1. You can see that. 30 seconds. You can see all candles in a different sides. Look at that. This is good revert so far for us. Okay, because this is for sure is an uptrend, but sometimes this can happen. The only way to be prepared for this is change the chart. Okay. Oh man, come on. Look at that. We can follow up this using the points. When I have the red points, last 200, etc., it's very good for us. Come on, come on, come on. 1 minute, 4 seconds. Look at the profit. Okay. Look at the profit, guys. My first entry was $20. All right. My second entry on the first martingale, $4. So if you take $4 plus $20, $6. All right. If I win this, I gonna take back my $60 and make a profit of 13.60 cents. Okay. So the martingale is very good. Oh yeah, man, come on. 4 seconds. I think it's not possible for this candle be strong enough to go up and pass my mark. So I can say right now that we got this one. Because of that, I really recommend you to use the charts to compare. To use or not a button. Okay. Very nice. So guys, I think it is for today. That's all for today, okay? So if you have any question, comments, you can send them a message on YouTube, or you can click on the pinned message and use this link to talk me on send post. That is my supports. Alright. You can ask me everything that you want. If you want me to show a new strategy on my live, just let me know. You can give feedbacks for me of my lives, okay? Thank you so much for the attendance. I hope that you like, David. You told me that you beginner is the first time you watch me on my live. Okay. I really appreciate this, man. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Okay. And a good Friday tomorrow. I wait for you tomorrow. Okay. Oh, just say it, Mark. How are you, Mark? How are you, man? Mark? Okay, I don't know if this is there. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Really appreciate your attendance today and wait for tomorrow. Okay? Tomorrow, I don't think I will perform a live at the same time, but just stay tuned on the group to follow it. Okay? And wait for the signals. Let's try to make some profit together. So, you guys, have a good day. Bye bye.